Hey foodies! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring some of the best alternate recipes that are not only satisfying, but also delicious. Let's get cooking. Recipe 1. Zucchini noodles, Zoodles, with pesto. First up, we have zucchini noodles, perfect for a low-carb pasta alternative. Ingredients: 2 zucchinis, 1/2 cup pesto, store-bought or homemade. Cherry tomatoes, halved Parmesan cheese, optional. Preparation: spiralize the zucchinis into noodles. In a pan, sauté them for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix in the pesto and cherry tomatoes. Top with Parmesan if you like, and there you have it, fresh and flavorful Zoodles. Recipe 2. Quinoa stuffed peppers. Next, let's make quinoa stuffed peppers nutritious and filling. Ingredients: 4 bell peppers, 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 can black beans, drained, 1 cup corn. Spices: cumin, chili powder. Preparation: cut the tops off the peppers and remove the seeds. In a bowl, mix quinoa, black beans, corn, and spices. Stuff the mixture into the peppers and bake at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. Delicious, hearty, and packed with flavor. Recipe 3. Cauliflower rice stir-fry. Lastly, we're making a cauliflower rice stir-fry, a great rice alternative. Ingredients: 1 head of cauliflower, mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, bell peppers. Soy sauce or tamari green onions for garnish. Preparation: pulse cauliflower in a food processor until it resembles rice. Sauté the cauliflower rice and mixed veggies in a pan with soy sauce for 5-7 minutes. Garnish with green onions, and enjoy this low-carb delight. There you have it, 3 satisfying alternate recipes to try. Which one are you excited about? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty ideas. See you next time.